Good morning, West Michigan. Thanks for joining us on this Memorial Day Monday. Of course, so many events and activities are going on. A lot of remembrances for the men and women who have given the ultimate sacrifice in service to our country. And as we take a look at weather conditions, we will continue with the dry and mostly sunny conditions that we've had most of this holiday weekend. As you can see, looking out over the beach in South Haven, not a lot of activity yet, but again, we are looking at what will be cooler temperatures right near the lakeshore. Even though inland areas we're projecting up to around 70 degrees this afternoon, right near the lakeshore, just because those water temperatures in Lake Michigan are still only in the 40s this early in the season, we are looking at those air temps right along the lakeshore. Much cooler as well. So if you're heading lakeside, do expect temperatures to be several degrees cooler than you'll find in our inland areas. Temperatures this morning in the upper 30s to mid 40s. We're on our way to highs today around the 70-degree mark, so still a little cooler than our average high at 73. We made it to 68 yesterday. It was the 9th day in a row with temperatures below average, and we're going to continue that trend for the next couple of days. In fact, we could end up even with high temps around or a little above 70 degrees later this week, with those those average highs up to around 73, 74 degrees. We may actually close out this month of May officially without seeing another temperature above average, but it'll be fairly pleasant as we look at the sunshine around. Rain coming in later Tuesday night into Wednesday, and then we will be looking at generally dry conditions building back in as we close out the week and head into the upcoming weekend. So for today, we'll be dry, late day showers coming in on Tuesday. Widespread rain for Wednesday. Wednesday will be the wettest day in the entire 7-day forecast. Not anticipating severe weather, but certainly some locally heavy downpours will be with us. As you can see on the satellite radar composite, a few high clouds rolling in, especially areas to the south. But this area of high pressure is in firm control of our weather, and what that will do is bring us that gentle northeasterly wind, really working to suppress any weather activity from coming in. Now, we have had quite a bit of severe weather across the central and southern United States over the last couple of days. Once again, looking at some active weather down there from portions of Nebraska and Oklahoma down into Texas and Louisiana. Close to home, we will see a little more in the way of high cloudiness begin to roll in this afternoon. And then during the day tomorrow, the clouds really take over. In terms of any precipitation for Tuesday, there's an outside chance of a passing shower. Really shouldn't be a huge deal. The bigger precipitation event for us is going to come during the day Wednesday. Low pressure center developing right over the Great Lakes region, and that is going to bring us some pockets of moderate to heavy rain. It's actually a computer model suggesting we could pick up as much as a half inch to maybe even an inch of rainfall on Wednesday. By Thursday, just a few leftover showers won't be impossible. You notice the temperature trend here, 70 today, low 70s tomorrow, back into the mid to upper 60s for highs both Wednesday and Thursday. Low 70s on Friday, back into the low 70s for Saturday and Sunday. Saturday is the last day of May. We welcome in June on Sunday, and we're going to welcome in a whole new weather pattern as we kick off the month of June with a lot of warm air across the western U.S., the central and northern U.S., including the Great Lakes region with above average temps. And by that point, our average highs are in the mid 70s.